If you work in Premiere often, you know that it can crash from time to time, and nothing is more frustrating than spending a lot of time working on something and then losing all of that work because it didn't autosave. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure that autosave is turned on in your Premiere project, and also how to customize those settings, and also where to find those auto-saved projects if you need them. So let's get going. First off, we need to see our autosave settings. So to see those, we're going to go all the way up to the left corner where we can find the word edit, hit edit, and go all the way down to preferences. Then to the right, you will see autosave as one of those options. You're going to hit that, and you will get this preferences pop-up on the autosaves tab here. And we can see that I have autosave turned on. So this check mark means autosave is on and functioning. So if you don't have it on, make sure it's checked off. And then we can customize how often it saves and also how many versions are saved. So I actually like it to save more often than every 20 minutes. I think every 5 minutes is good, just because a lot can happen in 5 minutes and I have the space on my drive to save. So I think that's fine. Maximum project versions. This one actually has more to do with space. If you don't have a lot of space in your drive, you're not going to want that many versions, but I have the room, and I think 20 versions is pretty good. It may be overkill. I think I could get away with 10 versions or maybe even 5, but I like to leave it at 20 to be safe. You can go higher if that's your prerogative. Go for it, but this is the setting I like. So I'm going to hit OK. And now we know that autosave is turned on. But say my Premiere crashed and I need to find one of these saved projects. Where do I find them? Well, if you navigate to the place where the project that you're working on is saved. So here I have a subfolder and I've got the project that I'm working on right here. So I am in the same folder as the project. If I go up, there's a subfolder in this location called Adobe Premiere Pro Autosave. This was created automatically by Premiere, and this has all of my different projects, auto-saved projects, and I can sort them. So if you're seeing something like this, make sure you're in list, and then you can just sort by date modified, and you can see the most recent to the least recent here. So if I needed to go back to my most recent, I would go to this one. And that is it. I hope this helped you guys. If it did, give me a like and check out my playlist in Premiere where I have more tips and tricks like this. And thank you so much for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my Explainer video channel.